I have a wife, man. That wife is a recipient of that quote from me. How can I do that? That'd be the backstab of the ages, right?
You're
You don't backstab.
You're right, mister, you're right.
The intersection of a two-dimensional.
You gotta be loyal, mister.
Of a two-dimensional plane, that's what I want to say, and a three-dimensional solid. Please try to remember what I mean by two-dimensional, three-dimensional. I went over it at length about a month ago. I'll go over it right now, though, if you forgot. The intersection of a two-dimensional plane and a three-dimensional solid. A square is a cross section here. You got the plane slicing through that three-dimensional solid.
Thank you.
All right. Look at number 2. What's the cross section there of that plane slicing through that pyramid? Help. Anybody? Number 2, what's the cross section here? I got the plane slicing through that pyramid. It's a triangle, huh? You can see the triangle formed. Go to right triangle. That's all I mean by cross section. You got a two-dimensional plane, a flat surface, slicing through a solid. It creates a cross section. That's basically the lesson for today. It's not hard today, you guys. 3 and 4. Help! What's the cross section here? Trapezoid. Looks like a trapezoid to me. Very nice. Look at that. Trapezoid has 2 parallel sides that go on forever if you were to extend them. Very nice. Was that Fonseca or Cruz? Who said that? Nice. So go ahead and put trapezoid. Does it say right now?
Yeah, can I go up there right there?
Of course. I'll record this and put it up later, okay? Excuse me. And last but not least, I got a plane slicing through that solid there with a PT. Dang, you're rocking it. Heptagon versus hexagon. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 7-sided heptagon. If you forgot the difference between a hexagon and a heptagon, there's this thing called Google. You like type words in it and it gives you like the meanings and stuff. Bad joke. Cross sections. I don't know what else to tell you. Let's try one more example here. Go and flip your page. And let me get that picture up here. Okay. So 5 and 6, let's do that real quick here. So look how they're describing 5 and 6. Check this out. So, in exercises 5 and 6, draw the cross section formed by the described plane that contains line AB. What is the shape of the cross section? So look what they're saying. A plane is perpendicular to the base of this prism. The base is its bottom side. We know that's the base. So perpendicular means coming at it at 90 degrees, perfectly. When something's perpendicular, we're talking 90-degree angle with it. So I'm going to draw the cross section now. Watch. And that plane has to contain line AB. So watch what's going to happen. Watch. Go and draw it with me. Let me do a little shading too. I'm gonna shade it like a little darker gray. See that? Okay. Describe the cross section. What's the shape of the cross section? Nice. That's a rectangle, right? All right, number 6. We're going to draw a plane that slices through this pyramid. That's actually a triangular prism, actually. That's perpendicular to the bottom face. So here's the bottom face. So this plane is going to contain AB. So watch me draw it. It's going to be, right? Slicing through. And I'm going to go and shade in. So it's a triangle. So you have to imagine the plane slicing through, coming down through that prism. It's going to create a triangle. It has to contain AB. This would be a triangle. So on the online assignment, you're going to get easy questions like that. What's the cross section as the plane slices through this that's perpendicular to the base? So on. You know, my plane is a little off, huh? It should be perpendicular to the base. It looks like it's coming in at a slant. It'd be better if it's like this. Like that, huh? It's coming down. To even get the 3D effect, I can do this. See that? So we're coming down, perpendicular. Question? All right, last question. Scroll down to number 7, and we're done with our notes. We're only gonna do part A. We're not gonna do part B. Part B is superfluous and unnecessary. So, it's asking us to draw number 7. Watch. Here we go. You have a pie with a radius of 4.5 inches and a height of 2.2 inches. You cut the pie vertically. Vertically means up and down, to make 2 congruent parts. Let's draw the pie first. What do you say we draw a pie? Pie's a cylinder, right? Boy, my mouth is watering already, Gabriel. 4.5 inches of a radius. .25 inches high. Yummy, yummy. So we're going to cut the pie vertically to make 2 congruent parts. I'm going to use a big cleaver. Exactly. Here's my cleaver. Big old fat cleaver, watch this. Okay, I'm holding that puppy, I'm chopping that thing right in half. So the knife, in other words, serves as the plane, the two-dimensional plane. It's a blade. It's 2 dimensions, only length and width. And let's draw the cross section now. Right? It's a rectangle. So it's where the blade and the pie intersect, actually, right? That's the cross section. Ross, we're good? Gabriel? Quintero? Cruz? Fonseca, we're good? Find the perimeter and area of the cross section. What's a rectangle? We found perimeters and areas of rectangles about a month ago, before Thanksgiving, going way back. If you forgot, I put the formulas on C53, by the way. Remember the formula sheet? It's right there. It's all right here. By the way, I forgot, I didn't even notice. It had the Pythagorean theorem all the way at the bottom. I never even used the second page. I was scrolling through it and I like, whoa, there's Pythagorean theorem. Remember we used that a little bit a few assignments ago? But, like I'm saying, here's the formulas for the basic shapes, right? So rectangles, length times width. So, let's go back over here. Area equals length times width. So let's look at the length of the rectangle, Gabriel. The length of the rectangle is from here, I'll go red for now, to here. That's the length. Well, that's going to be 4.5 times 2, right? One 4.5 and another 4.5. I want to say makes 9 if my coffee is kicked in. The width of the rectangle is 2.25. Rocking and rolling. 2.25 times 9. 20.25. Nice. The area then is 20.25 inches, square inches. Because area. There's an area. Let's find the perimeter now, though. And then we're done. Go ahead and find the perimeter on your own and write it down on your paper. And if it's good, I'll give you your own clipboard so you can start thinking about it a while. Give me one light, Mr. Fonseca, please. So find the perimeter on your own. For perimeter, there's no formula. Remember, just add up the sides. So the areas are the ones that have perimeters, or orbits rather. Raise your hand when you got it. Make sure you have chickens, horses, or termites. Those give me a number. Good try. Going back. Is that the answer here?
Oh no, that's for this one.
Oh, okay.
For that one, that was
Write down. Write down. Just find the perimeter of the cross section.
I have to raise my hand or not?
No, I'll go back right there.